Okay, you can barely see it in the middle, but there goes the Falcon 9 from SpaceX, as seen from the city of Lynwood. It is going higher there, as you see the center of the screen. It just launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base in California. I can report that we did not hear any sonic boom, and this time the distinctive color, it's orange. It does not have the same tail as previous rockets. It actually looks like it's fading really fast. And as you can see, barely a speckle into the center of the screen. And it is extinguished. Cannot see it any longer. It goes up, continues now, and it still goes up higher in the darkness. I can see it with the naked eye. It is starting to develop a nice tail, looking nice and bright. Beautiful. It is beautiful. All my neighbors are out. We're all watching it live. And I'm reporting to you here from Southern California in the center of the Los Angeles Basin in a city named Lynwood, California. With the naked eye, you can see a beautiful prism of white color. It looks like a cloud and a very bright lift. And on the right bottom right, I can see another, what looks like either a rocket or a booster coming back to Earth. It's beautiful. Alright, just wanted to let you know how great, beautiful it looked here in Lynwood, California. I hope you enjoyed it. And as it continues to ascend into the atmosphere, it looks very beautiful.